I got this from Nuriel when I attended the International Coaching Federation. Sabi niya, yung action, two things, para madali ring tandaan. Either yung action, nakakatulong siya for you to have your elevated performance. It's either the action is a distraction in your moving away from your goal, or your action gives you traction. Ibig sabihin, you're moving towards your goal. Procrastinating can be an example of distraction, right? Kasi you are not motivated to do what you need to do. Example, calling, setting appointments, urong-sulong, tatawag na, and then mamaya na lang, baka maaga pa, baka tulog pa, or kasi dinidelay natin yung ano yung dapat natin gawin. So, hindi tayo moving toward our goal, elevated performance, we are moving away. So, how do you manage yung procrastination? Una, understand. Ba't mo siya dinidelay? Find out bakit ka nagdi-delay, perhaps hindi mo siya na-enjoy, which is usually the case, and then gamitin directed abstraction to gain that confidence to finally press call or press send. Another thing that you can try, pag may activity na hindi ko na-enjoy, i-prepare ko siya with something that I enjoy doing. So, something that you enjoy na hindi ka naman madi-distract from what you need to do. So, example, I don't like creating reports. I don't like looking at the numbers. Hindi ko siya na-enjoy. Dahil pair it with something you enjoy, di ba? Because I enjoy listening to music. Pag ginagawa ko yung report, I listen to upbeat music. Yung hindi ako kakanta, kasi pag nakakanta ako, hindi ako makagawa ng report. It helps. It takes my mind away from, gagawin ko na naman to. I really enjoy it. Now, let's go to traction. So, si traction, di ba sabi ko, ito yung action that moves us forward to our goal, which is elevated performance. So, ano yung kailangan mong i-adjust? Kanina, meron na tayong mga tips. Nandun na yung traction. Take a look at ano yung work week structure mo. Yung work week structure mo ba helps na yung parang natural yung magiging groove, or yung pilit na pilit ba siya? Example, kung mahalaga sa'yo na ikaw yung naghahatid sa anak mo sa school, huwag ka maglagay, siset ka ng appointments doon sa kapit na time na maghahatid ka sa school. Kailangan natural yung flow, yung magiging feeling niya pag nilagay mo siya doon. Hatid mo yung anak mo sa school, and then go to the nearest coffee shop or place where you can work. Kung malayo yung bahay nyo, you don't go back to your house, right? So, natural flow means yung ano yung gagawin mo for work, insert mo siya doon sa tipong downtime. So, go to the nearest coffee shop, doon ka mag-set ng appointments, and then 2, 3 hours, balik ka na dun sa school, okay, dalin mo siya uwi na kayo sa bahay, di ba? Have lunch together, then balik ka uli sa work. So, take a look at your structured work week. How do you now change it so that you gain traction? Color coding works for me. Yung color coding, it's up to you kung paano nyo siya assign. So, akin, green is either strategic or connecting with people. Team meeting man or one. Yung blue is learning hour. Meron ka dapat mga moments na nag-aaral ka rin. Hindi pwedeng andar lang tayo ng andar, di ba? We need to sharpen our saw as well. So, of course, red is, yan yung, okay, relax muna. Pag tiningnan mo yung 1 week calendar mo, at maraming siyang red, teka lang, baka masyado na ako nagre-relax. Kailangan ko siya dagdagan ng green. The colors, it's up to you. Basta meron siyang representation of ano yung priority, ano yung next, and then ano yung downtime. So, tingnan mo. Kasi pag nakita mo yung kulay, mas maraming red, mas maraming blue, maybe it's time to adjust. So, may visual cue siya. So, that also helps you gain traction.